Do you know what happens if there is not enough calcium in the body? If the calcium level in the body is too low to support important functions, your body takes calcium from your bones. This is called losing bone mass. Losing bone mass makes the inside of your bones weak and porous, which puts you at risk for bone diseases like osteopenia and osteoporosis. Osteopenia reduces the mineral density of bones, and it can lead to osteoporosis. Osteoporosis makes bones thinner and more susceptible to fractures. It can cause pain, issues with posture, and eventual disability. To avoid losing your bone mass, the body needs to be supplied with an adequate amount of calcium. The nature calcium contains the active ingredient calcium carbonate. According to Harvard Health, calcium carbonate supplements tend to be the best value because they contain the highest amount of elemental calcium, which is about 40% by weight. The nature calcium is best to take once a day after a meal, since calcium carbonate requires stomach acid for better dissolution and absorption. Our tablet size is designed perfectly. It is very convenient for oral intake because it is neither too big nor too small. Although certain amounts of calcium can be taken from some food, most people still don't meet the recommended daily intake, or RDI. Based on the study of the Food and Nutrition Board and the National Academy of Sciences, the calcium RDI for people from 30 to 50 years old is 1,000 milligrams. Males from 51 to 70 years old need 1,000 milligrams, and females from 51 to 70 years old need 1,200 milligrams. People who are 70 years old and up need about 1,200 milligrams of calcium a day. Foods such as milk, cheese, and other dairy foods, green leafy vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, and okra, soya beans, and tofu contain up to 500 milligrams of calcium depending on the amount of intake. However, a large percentage of the population doesn't meet their calcium needs through their diet because calcium can't be absorbed that efficiently from food. In fact, humans absorb only 30% of the calcium from food. The nature calcium contains 800 milligrams of calcium, which makes it very ideal for adults, especially those who are most at risk for bone loss, like postmenopausal women and the elderly. This supplement fills in the amount of calcium missing from your daily diet to make up for any shortfall without providing your body too much calcium. Consuming appropriate amounts of calcium is important for building bone and can prevent or delay bone loss later in life. So, include the nature calcium in your daily nutrition starting now. The sooner we address our low intake of calcium, the better our old age outcome will be.